Okay, TikTok, it is time to weigh these guys. Let's see who weighs the most. Any predictions? This is day 4 of life. So place your bets, TikTok. Who's gonna weigh the most? We have dark blue, we have black, we have light blue, we have red, and we have orange. Let's see. Okay, let's take dark blue. Drum roll, please. 110. Then we have, let's do light blue. I know. Ooh, coming in at 120. Let's do red, who has been the pig eating. I know, guys. Ooh, 119. Let's do black. Hi, buddy. Oh my goodness. Oh, 117. And last but certainly not least, red. The winner! 121.